Diamonds building. Sa half on half off sightseeing Amsterdam. Ito yung building. Puro diamonds. Some diamonds. Be back there in 15 minutes, but my mom doesn't want to. We're gonna go because we're gonna go to the next bus. This bus will leave and then we're gonna wait for the next trip. So I don't know. It's the diamond.
Soft cheese frozen ice and
Yeah, I want to serve. It's a percentage of Amsterdam. Here är bra kanal. Kriegssynchro. The canals were built as a canal city expansion in 17th century. River Amstel. Kaya dyan ako yung pangalan na Amsterdam is river of the Amstel River. Yun yung city center. Amstel River. River of the Amstel. Amstel. Ang galing. Hindi tayo nakapagpalipad kasi madaming tao. Baka ano, matamaan sila or what. Dapat sa ano tayo, open space.
ano papatama mo sana? Ano papawala mo?
Anong central bank na daray? Central Bank of the Netherlands.
IB style, IB hotels.
Si Rembrandt, Leonardo da Vinci, tsaka si Vincent van Gogh, taga dito pala, Amsterdam. Isang sikat na painter, Vincent van Gogh. Sabi niya, diba? Ito may museum siya dito. May museum daw siya dito. Single home. Ginagawa yung ano siguro, railway yan.
Dati mati pa rin ikon na minum ka lang ngaroon ka tayo.
Heineken Brewery, guys. Heineken. It's a product of Holland, Amsterdam. Heineken is so nice. Heineken Brewery, ano? Heineken's Beer Brewery. Matcha Tea. Matcha Tea.
Y con él hermano Corito.
Yan yung mga binablog na pa. Mga brewery. Hindi yung gold ay diamond. Brewery.
Diyan mo kunin mo, ayan, yung Heineken, no? Ayan.
Heineken Brewery. Ang galing. Dapat tayo magbababa. Pasok tayo dyan, no?
Malayo.
Yan, no, may tour, oh. Ganda pa naman na magtutour sa atin. Ang cute pa naman na magtutour sa ano. Ito lang yung city center. Cellphone na yung pinag-vlog ko eh.
Pampay natin.
Yung stop number 7 is Van Gogh Museum. Vincent van Gogh. Isa sa sikat na mga artist or painter in the early times. Vincent van Gogh. That's what. Educational tour. Educational tour. Educational tour tayo guys, bigla. Pero ang ganda ng ano niya, oh. Ganda nung ano niya, architectural niya design. Wow.
Easy to park.
Wow. It's very beautiful. Very beautiful. Alas 3 na. Uwi na tayo mamaya. What, 5:30 nandun na tayo sa 5:40 nandun tayo sa train station. Ganda no? Malaking park. Guinness. Park. Bondel Park.
Stockholm nummer 8, stopp 8. Line, Bondel Park, Hard Rock Cafe.
Hydro Cafe. Hydro Cafe. Yung asik sa. Baka nandyan yung may ganito.
Asik pala yan. Akala ko basic.
Basic. Basic. Asics tawag ko din. Walang. Asics. Asics. Parehas madali. Asics. Bondel Park. Balikan ko yung pag-summer. Magbabike-bike ako dito. Abangan nyo yun guys. Kaya don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below for our next video guys. Lights blind. Entertainment district for centuries. Parking areas. Hindi katulad dun sa amin. Very cloudy there in our workplace, but here it's sunny. It's very good. Ito next magiging park na rin siguro yan next time. Oh, ganda. Ang ganda. Ganda. And this one, bike shop. Rent a bike.
Aan de vraag, 15 minuten.
Summer din ako mag-rent. So, rent tayo ng bike. Tapos libo tayo. Pero yung electric. Hindi tayo mapagod. Although, sa next stop ay Central. Pero ba sa Central? Ayun, thanks for na-pop tour. Ito lang, isang vlog lang. Uwi na rin kami mamaya, going to Midi. Alright, kita-kits tayo sa tomorrow. It's the ano naman natin, church. Alright, see you again in the next videos. Thanks for watching. Alright. Kaya nga, yan din, sasakay din talaga tayo. Ayan o, 2. Sabi ko sa'yo dun. Alright guys, may typo error kasi yung sa ticket namin tsaka yung train number. Ito 3. Tayo sa coach 5. 3. Adventure yung pauwi, no? Nice tong si Mother guys. Ito 5, pasok ka na dyan. Let's go. Yeah, coach 5, thank you. Coach. Yeah, sit. Oops, excuse me. 0, sorry. Ito natin nahangan natin